Hello, I am Commodore. We're about to hit up the Ghoulcrest Hunting Club, which I am a tribe member of. So we'll show you around and show you basically the necessities to get in and what drink to recommend. Follow me. Here we have the front. We have this beautiful light up sign. And this amazing light up vault door, Vault 77. Do you remember the Puppet Man? Remember the Puppet Man. Now, we'll do this knock. Hello, the Commodore here. Is my tie?
Show me the tie.
I have a tie.
Commodore.
Hello there.
Show me the tie. Show me the tie.
Gotta have it close and personal.
We don't embroider ties.
You embroider ties.
Me?
Yeah, you. Yeah.
Me embroidered your tie.
Oh.
Who's this hot lady behind you?
Oh, this is my lovely Figment, who's behind the camera, who's also a club member. Please show tie.
Please show tie.
Please show tie.
Tie.
Please tie.
Yeah, so I don't know if we love filming. This ain't no like casting couch situation.
Oh, okay.
That's
okay.
later.
Okay,
I know when
we'll hide
here,
the
you gotta earn it.
Yeah, that's a terrible way to hide it, lady. Get your butts in here.
Thank you. All right, now here we go. Welcome to Ghoulcrest. Lovely music, lovely posters,
Commodore!
people, and recognizable faces. Hi, Jeff. Good to see you. Good to see you. And we have the faceless version of themselves. Hello, Dolly. How you doing?
Commodore.
Yes, how y'all going? Come on, close. The drink of the club.
Well, howdy!
Captain Stratton himself. How are we doing there, good sir?
Fantastic. Yourself?
Great. Whenever you're ready, I'd like to have one of your famous Bloody Marys.
Indeed, I can indeed. Do you have a cup, sir?
Make sure you have a cup.
No mason jar tonight?
I can do a mason jar.
Okay.
Let me finish up this dirty
Yeah,
shirt.
please, take your time. Yeah. Man of class right here. Man of class.
And then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 Bloody Marys to do. Plus yourself, 7.
Lucky number.
Lucky number. Just in time.
It's my lucky number.
Let me get these guys.
Oh, eyelashes.
Oh, yes, please.
It's a blue flame and standard flame. That can go to the Missouri.
I believe this is
We
yours.
can find him.
We're good.
How you doing there? Already?
Well, hey, man, yesterday took it out of me. I bartended for like days.
More or less, yeah. So what drinks are all these, by the way?
Bloodies.
All bloodies?
All bloodies.
All right.
Proof that culture still exists, even in the
Exactly, right?
Don't forget yours.
Oh, yeah.
We need a 7.
Yeah. Oh, my goodness. Thank you. Thank you.
That's why I'm the sober one in the house.
Exactly.
There we go. We got your drink.
Perfect amount.
Oh, the
See?
best amount right there.
This one. You end up bartending long enough, your fingers get so like your nails, you can't do anything with them. So the knife becomes the can opener and everything else. There we go.
But it's also a good way to threaten people.
It is indeed. It is indeed. It kind of keeps the fingers
And
back.
for him, this is a Friday night, doing all these Bloody Marys all at once. He's got it on lockdown.
It is Friday night.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is.
Did you just remember that?
Sally, no.
Why so early? Oh, you were helping with the breakfast.
I learned from the best.
Becoming camp.
Always lean parents. Accept no substitute.
Yep.
Always Tabasco. You can do it with Tapatio. I do enjoy Tapatio, but Tabasco is a little bit better.
Yeah, it's got that better.
It bites more.
Yes, exactly. It has that better bite. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Right. Oh, and the specialty.
Pickled asparagus.
Yes, yes.
And this is basically the same recipe you use for yours.
More or less, yes.
Come on, there we go. You're fighting me.
Uh-oh.
There we go. Come on out now. There we go.
Beautiful. Perfect, perfect.
Where's your yellow
Yes, make it a little bit dirty.
You can only do gyro captain so many times before it
Ah,
starts getting a
yes.
little gross.
Dirty, dirty, dirty.
You gotta change it up.
Thank you. Here's the pepper.
That's why it's done in a lot.
I'm allowed to say like, oh, I have a story.
And the odd one out.
Oh, yeah. Oh, good. Yes, there's asparagus.
Yeah, all here. Right. And the final touch.
Final splash with my cutting knife.
Right. Get that mixed up on here. And Captain's Bloody.
Captain's Bloody. Please.
Grab your receptacle. I have no idea who's they go to.
All right. Captain's official Bloody Mary. All the Wasteland.
Yeah. And then,
That's me. All right.